OPPO has just announced its new tablet as well. We are talking about the OPPO Pad 3 Pro. Let me quickly tell you about its specifications because it is supposedly OPPO's high-end tablet as it carries the Pro surname. Its screen is 12.1 inches and we are going to find 144 Hz in its refresh rate. In this case, we are talking about an LCD panel, and this is possibly what is most disappointing considering that it is supposed to be a high-end tablet. However, the very high refresh rate might appeal to some users, although more and more tablets are launching with this same LCD configuration with 144 Hz. I'm beginning to suspect something fishy is going on there because most users would like a 90 or 120 Hz AMOLED display rather than a 144 Hz LCD. In this case, it offers a 7:5 ratio and does support Dolby Vision and HDR content. It has a peak brightness of 600 nits and features 6 Dolby Atmos compatible speakers. The processor it integrates is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading version, meaning it is a slightly overclocked edition and offers configurations of up to 16 gigabytes of RAM with up to a terabyte of storage. The RAM is LPDDR5X, although the storage is UFS 3.1. Interestingly, in this case, it does not arrive with OS Color 15 but with OS Color 14.1, but it will surely receive the update very soon. As for photography, it offers a 13 megapixel camera with autofocus and in the front camera 8 megapixels. Fortunately, this tablet does not join the trend of also offering ultra-wide camera, both back and front, which I see as unnecessary. And its battery has a capacity of 9,510 mAh with support for 67-watt charging. Honestly, in several respects, it falls a little short to be considered a pro tablet. Fortunately, it is compatible with a keyboard accessory and also with a stylus accessory for greater productivity. This stylus supports 10,000 levels of pressure, so you can draw very fluently on this screen as well. The price for the simplest configuration is 3,299 yuan, advertised for China. This is approximately $463, although remember that prices here are not the same as over there. For now, it has not been revealed whether this tablet will have a global launch as was confirmed for its smartphones, so we will have to keep waiting.